This is AP Physics Unit 2, Dynamics Review, multiple choice question number 21. We have a 2-block sitting on an inclined plane. Notice the important word here to notice is rest. And they want to know the friction force between the block and the plane. So when it's at rest and it's the friction force, we're going to be talking about static friction. And we're going to have no movement. So that also tells me that acceleration will be equal to 0. I can use that to my advantage. If I do my free body diagram, first of all, I've got my incline here. So perpendicular to that is my normal force. And the block will want to slide down the hill, so friction force is going to oppose that motion. So it is going to be going this direction. And then straight down will be weight, force of weight, which is the mass times the gravity. And if I break that out quick to look at its components, because that's what I am going to have to do. The portion on the side right here would be F of W, the cosine of it, and then the one in the x direction when I tilt my axis, and that's the one I'm going to be interested in, is the sine. So if I go to Newton's second law, the force is in my x direction. I've got static friction, and I'm going to make this direction my positive direction. So static friction is positive. Working against it will be portion of the weight, which is the sine. And we know that is equal to mass times acceleration, but since we're static, acceleration is 0. So we have F of S is equal to the portion of the weight. That portion is sine still. I know that this is mass times gravity. So breaking it down even farther. Now I know everything, so I can put my 2 kilograms in. I'm still using 10 meters per second squared as gravity. My angle is 30. So my static friction, the friction that's holding it in place, is 10 newtons, and that is multiple choice question answer number letter B.